Hello, it's Katy Beh. I'm gonna solder a seam in this little box. I thought you might want to watch. So I have a little bit of flux. Then I'm gonna put here just little drips. Doesn't need to go everywhere. And I have torches in my lap. I have an itty bitty chip of 20 karat yellow solder, which would be the hardest solder that I'd use. And I've got this joint all laid out. So cross your fingers. I'm going to use my acetylene torch. Oh, baby. And first I'm going to heat up the flux. I'm going to put some over here too, because I think I want to do this other joint too. First I'm going to heat up that flux and get it all bubbly, because if I put the solder chip in when the flux is all wet, it's going to bubble everywhere. So, oh, you know what? An awesome instructor, oops, get out of there, at Jewelry Arts Institute, Miss Jeanette Carnes, showed me how to, wait, I need a little block to do this. If I make a little ball of this solder, it's going to go much better where I want it to go. So I'm going to set it right here on this outside edge, get right there, and then I'm going to try to draw it to this side closer to me. And I'm going to do that by getting the pointing my torch like right in this side, because the solder is going to flow. Ooh, let's get that little piece out of there. The solder is going to flow where it's hot. But I can't see, this little piece down here is not flowing properly, and that's kind of making me a little mad. Oop, and it didn't do it. See? Sometimes it sucks. Come on, baby. All right, so we're going to do it with, I'm going to get my other torch, because this thing is just too crazy, and I can't direct the heat. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to change torch tips. And I'm also going to put more flux in there while you're hot, just to make sure everybody's happy. Okay, so let's do a smaller torch tip. Sometimes you need it smaller. Okay, try it again. Oh, lighting it would be good. Okay, okay. So this is just a little 0 torch tip. Get my tweezers again, and we'll see if we can get this baby going. Hot again. I'm still old school though. Jeanette has instructed me to not heat the whole piece. I'm just a whole piece kind of girl, because I see it sink sometimes, heat sink. So come on, solder, do what you're supposed to do. Come over here. I'm going to even move it, coax it to where it's still not doing it. God damn it. Okay, let's try it again. Get in there. Okay, dokie. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Ooh, it just did it. See? Flowed. Okay, so let's see in this fabulousness if I can get this, since it's all set up. Ooh, Do you see it? Oh, I just moved it. I'm so sorry. I'm going to see here if I can do this other one. But the flux has stuck the little box to the little square to the board, so I can't pull it out just yet to turn it around, but you can still watch because it's fun. Because who doesn't like to watch solder flowing? Okay, so I got it at this corner closer to me. Yeah, let's make sure we don't burn my phone. Okay. All right, so now there go my tweezers. I'm going to hopefully draw it. Wait, you know what? I'm not happy with this because I think it is off. Okay, we're gonna go for it. I think it's gonna be okay. All right, so I'm gonna go from here and try to draw that solder from here whoop, to the torch. Come on, you can do it. But I can see it, and it's not in the place that I want it. It needs to be a little more in there, touching each side. Come on. Sometimes this is really nerve-wracking because after you get all this measured out and it's all so perfect and it's like, God, if I melt this corn, I'm going to be pissed. Oh, you're pissing me off. See, sometimes this pisses me off. One more chunk of solder. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. The nice thing about soldering or using gold is that, you know, I can, that little chip got stuck in the flux, is that I can keep, I don't have a lot of risk of, especially this high carat, I don't have a high risk of, oh, you know, that nasty, fire scale. So the whole thing with solder is that you're just trying to make it go where you want it to go. And there it goes, you little silly thing.